Please read the instruction manual before installation. Remove the screws. Check the tightness of the side rack latch. If adjustment is needed, you can loosen the securing screw of the side rack latch for adjustment. First, push the latch to the tightest position. Loosely tighten the securing screw. Engage the latch slowly, and simultaneously loosen the securing screw gradually. The latch will be pulled out slowly. At this point, the side rack latch will be in the optimal tightness position. Apply thread locker alternately to the securing screws, and tighten them. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Apply thread locker to all screws. Insert screws into the right side rack and add aluminum alloy washers. Refer to the diagram for the specifications of the aluminum alloy washers. Install the right side rack. Preliminary fixation is sufficient. Do not fully tighten it. The installation method for the other side is the same. Install the connecting rod. Use a torque wrench to tighten the screws. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Attach the decorative cover, mount the side cases, engage the latches, lock them with the key, and check the latches. Installation is complete. Thank you for watching.